News update. Underscore integrated court complex to be set up in Chennai. TN Law Minister CTR Nirmal Kumar asterisk underscore. Date asterisk. Underscore the 4th of August 2026 underscore. Event asterisk. Underscore continuous legal lecture series. Madras High Court Advocates Association underscore. Asterisk 1. Key announcement. TN Law Minister CTR Nirmal Kumar assured that an integrated court complex will be established in Chennai to ease difficulties faced by lawyers. Asterisk 2. Details from the event. Asterisk 1. Venue asterisk underscore Madras High Court Advocates Association Building, HC Campus underscore. 2. Presided by asterisk underscore RC Paul Kanagaraj, President, Madras HC Advocates Association underscore. 3. Welcome address asterisk underscore S. Arivas Hagan, Secretary underscore. 4. Chief guest asterisk underscore CTR Nirmal Kumar, Minister for Electricity and Law, TN underscore. Asterisk 3. Minister's statements asterisk 1. On lawyers' hardships asterisk underscore. I fully understand the difficulties of lawyers. First generation lawyers suffer the most underscore. 2. Integrated court complex asterisk underscore courts are currently scattered across various places in Chennai causing inconvenience underscore. Underscore government plans to integrate all courts 160 plus courts to be set up in one complex underscore. Underscore Chief Minister has given approval, consultations are ongoing underscore. 3. Judicial vacancies asterisk underscore vacant posts in courts across TN will be filled. Steps will be taken for fair and impartial conduct of cases underscore. 4. Government advocates appointment asterisk underscore appointments made on basis of merit and qualification, without party bias. This is a people's government underscore. 5. Other demands asterisk underscore assured that lawyers' demands will be fulfilled in a phased manner underscore. Asterisk 4. Other dignitaries present underscore Senior Advocate Tyagarajan, Vice President Sasikumar, Librarian Raghu, Treasurer Rajesh underscore and other office bearers of the association. Asterisk 5. Legal, administrative significance for HJS1. Access to justice, R21 asterisk underscore integrated complex reduces delay, cost and hardship for litigants and lawyers underscore. 2. Court infrastructure asterisk underscore part of state's duty under directive principles, R39A, equal justice and free legal aid underscore. 3. Judicial pendency asterisk underscore filling vacancies plus better infrastructure equals speedy disposal underscore. 4. Bar bench relations asterisk underscore government engaging with bar for infrastructure needs underscore. Asterisk 6. One-liner for notes underscore TN Law Minister 2026 assured integrated court complex with 160 plus courts in Chennai. CM approval given. Aims to reduce hardship for lawyers and improve access to justice underscore. Tag asterisk underscore hashtag Chennai hashtag integrated court complex hashtag CTR Nirmal Kumar hashtag Madras HC hashtag lawyers hashtag access to justice hashtag R21 hashtag judiciary TNGoft underscore HJS note asterisk exam Q underscore how does court infrastructure impact right to speedy trial underscore uns underscore R21 includes speedy trial, integrated complexes, filling vacancies, and digital courts are key to reducing pendency underscore.